The fourth reactive change strategy is an increased investment in technology. So we'll start to move into the second group of reactive change strategies, which are things that we can do to change the operation system. We're going to get some value for things we learned earlier. We learned earlier in the year that there is operations management, and one of the strategies within that we could use to improve efficiency and effectiveness was technology. And in particular, we looked at a few things. Let's just focus on three key ones. Automated production lines, that's where we replace human activity or inputs with machinery, technology, robotics, computers, equipment, etc. We could also use computer-aided design. That is where we will design the product on a computer instead of by hand, so we can create 3D models, easily adjust that model and come up with precise measurements, and then we can feed that into a computer, and that was called computer-aided manufacturing, which was our third operation strategy. And that was where the products of the business are assembled or produced through programmed instructions. The human is still involved, but they program the instructions into a robot, for example, and the robot makes the product. So they're the things we were talking about. And this particular topic says, well, when we look at our performance from last year and we get our KPIs and we see some that are bad, what could we use or what could we fix by using our technology strategies? And they could fix all of those KPIs, but in particular, we could fix the rate of productivity growth, how much stuff we waste, how many workplace accidents, and how many customer complaints there are. And we'll do that because we'll use those automation, computer-aided design, and computer-aided manufacturing to increase efficiency and how fast we can produce something. If we make something fast, we lower costs. We can also produce it to a greater degree of standardization, so every unit's the same and more consistent and accurate. And lastly, we can also automate repetitive and dangerous tasks. So if we do all those things, the main KPIs we're going to improve are these four here.